Assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome back to the Fighting Modeler. In this video we will make this buggy and this is the blaze buggy and let's start making it without wasting our time. First arrange the references correctly according to all sides of the buggy. And then add a plane with merged vertices and center. Okay. Then first align the vertices according to the shape. Then extrude them and make rough shape from it, and then make equal right from all sides like this, and then grab some vertices where we want a curve like this, and one here and grab like this here and one here. Okay, this is good. Now fill them one by one like this, and then fill them just to the back. Okay, now mirror it to the x-axis, but first extrude it to the right and then move this face a little inward. Okay, nice. Now extrude these face to make the wheel front guard and do the same thing to the front side as well. Extrude it and scale it like this. Okay, now mirror it but first delete the middle faces so we don't get any overlapping smell. And then add one loop cut if you want. Okay, otherwise we can make it like from the side and front view. Then scale some faces that we extruded from the above the tire. Okay, now duplicate these vertices and then make it a separate object. We'll make it only a single object later on. Each separate on sometime and make the doors from it. It will make a good shape. Okay, now add one loop cut in the middle from the body. Okay, now select the face right here and then merge them at center and keep it a separate object as well. And then extrude out the frame, basic frame, and then just to the back of the body. It is mirrored automatically from the car body, and then add skin modifier and a subdivision modifier. You can use the G tool and C tool to slide individually anywhere we want according to the mesh shape. Now move them a little inward from the top, and now we're almost done. Now fill them by extruding it to the X to the middle. Okay, now our buggy has a frame for the two top, and now select the pieces from the bottom front, and then make it like it's covering the front part of our buggy, not the wheel buggy, but the front part of our dirt buggy. Okay, I'm join the vertices for better topology. Now our main body looks a little better after we've done some framework and then some other work as well. and and then slide some vertices from here and there, and then make the headlights and the backlights as well. Move them just a little here and there, up or down, and then insert the faces just a little bit to make the light look better, like this. Set the mesh as you want to see if it looks good, then extrude it inward, then we have an nice. Do the same thing to the front and the back. Okay, now duplicate the frame and make the front and back safeguard or a good. After we are done making the safeguard for our buggy, then we can make it a single object, and we can make the shape as we want, but remember to keep the skin modifier. Keep in mind that we are using the skin modifier, so it may occur any problem for this. Like this, now make the frame only a single object, and then later on, after the plain skin modifier, we will make it only one object as body. Now we can make a spoiler from it on the back, but we don't need. Okay, now we have to make the tires for the finishing. Add a circle with only 12 fragments and make it rotated on the y-axis, and then place it correctly where it should be. And then in the edit mode, extrude it and fill it, and then bevel, and then make the tire shape look better. After adding the gear to the tire, then we have to make a spread for our tire. Spread for our. Okay, now set the faces, but first add a loop bud and then duplicate these three faces and then make a separate object. And then make the shape of our basic spread. Now slide the vertices around and make the basic shape. And if it's making a problem, then leave it, then we can extrude it in. Now we need to slide it to the next, closer to the previous mesh. Otherwise, Ctrl D and rotate it on the whole tire. You can duplicate it and rotate it, but a smarter work is to use the spin tool by Alt key and then do duplicate and don't automate. Okay, now we have nice looking thread. Use the 12 fragments for the duplicate, and then scale them, set the mesh accordingly. Okay, if it's occurring a problem, then don't edit the mesh and then duplicate it and get 12 fragments as the tire segment. Okay, now mirror it and then okay, nice. Now select this loop in the middle. We now deselect the middle one and then make it a little to the side. Just like this. This looks good. Now select the loop from the middle and rotate it just a little bit like this. and then rotate the rest of them just a little so we don't overlap the tab. Okay, now one step by distance and then make it a single object. Now mirror it to the other side and then duplicate this pair and then extrude out. Then make the fire rod. Now make it and add details to it like this and then duplicate it to the back. After we're done arranging the tie rod and the framework, the main framework, then we can move on to the inside part. The inside part I mean make the whole frame as one piece and then now we have to add a steering wheel. Add a steering wheel with this circle and then set the cursor to the middle edge and then add a circle with specific segment and then delete the faces, add a skin modifier like this and then scale them just a little bit by control A and then save the vertices like this and make a steering wheel like that. Now bevel the top vertex and our steering wheel is complete. Now I extrude this middle vertex. Now extrude this tail out. And now our car dashboard is complete and a little detailing is also looking good. Now we have to make the seat, set the faces, duplicate them, bevel them and then extrude them, make them seat correctly. Coming up to the last step, the texturing. Add an image texture to the material, then add texture, select all the mesh and then select the overlapping mesh and merge them by distance. Okay, after done merging and arranging the mesh, then we can move to side view and then UV from project from view. Okay, now this is the picture I'm using for this texture for this car image. Okay, now set the UV correctly and then we can select the part we want and UV them correctly according to the image texture and then make it as one image texture. Select the UV and then scale them in the image texture. Okay, now apply the modifier from different parts like this and make it as one body piece. Like this steering wheel and the UI and the frame of the bug. After we make it as one piece, UV them and make it to the black. Now make a little hood from the hood and then extrude it outwards and to the up and then select the eyes, not eyes, the headlight and then UV them black or maybe white as you want. Now do the same thing to the backlight as well and select the UV and then in the image use the backlight of the image like this. Now we have nice looking backlight. Just take the rod and make it black too. And now apply the modifier to everything and then make it as one piece. And now select the rod and then move it to the black like this. Do for face orientation, each any part is red, then it means that it is inside out. Inside part is out means red and outside part means blue. So shift and press and select the face orientation correctly and now select the tire, and now we have to press click shift to the tire too. Then select it and deselect the faces we don't want. Then image texture with the same color palette like this, and then reduce the specularity and add the roughness. And then select the UV you want and the faces, and where the color you want, select them and place them correctly on according to the image, and then place them correctly like the rest of the tile will be in the dark. And then add a color and for in the shader editor for much roughness, and then to control the roughness and black and white one. Okay guys, this is the tire we just made, and then more buggy. I'll see you guys in the next one. Allah.